This is gonna be painful. Nobody needs this at this time. Wow. I have a talk I have to give in 2 days at 4 a.m. in the morning in Zurich, Switzerland, and I can't concentrate. I can't concentrate worth anything. This is really frustrating. I haven't done any work on this talk yet, and I have 2 days to get it done. Thankfully, it's something I know very well, so I should be able to do it fairly quickly, and this is sort of a mark of how I work. But right now, all I can really think about is watching videos on YouTube, playing Tetris, or anything but actual work. So it seems like today I've worked myself into a position where I'm gonna have to prepare the entire talk while I watch my children. And that's gonna be maybe a bit of a challenge.
Cheese.
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 I was diagnosed with A.D.D, and I was on medication for a while, but it caused more problems than it solved. I ended up giving up medication and decided to try without it. Okay, so I think I figured out the path I want to take. Essentially, we have this problem where we've seen a whole bunch of controllers and control trajectories. What we're about to do next, we want to predict the action of a new controller. What we're going to do is we're going to take the path of operator theory and dynamic mode decomposition. What we're going to do is we're going to review Koopman operators. Instead, we're also going to review occupation kernels and Leoval operators. And this will get us to a continuous time regime. We're going to use vector value reproduced kernel Hilbert spaces, multiplication operators, and what we call control Leoval operators.
Let's do it!
That's right. So it didn't occur to me that attention might be my problem until much, much later. I thought that everybody had trouble concentrating on tedious things, but then I met my wife, and she could concentrate on things for hours at a time. And while we're both studying at, say, Starbucks or something like that, and she's getting all of her stuff done, I'm sitting there looking at ceiling tiles wondering if they look like Nebraska. So thankfully, I actually have all my notes left over from when I made a YouTube video on the same topic, so it's gonna help a lot. And if you're wondering why my lips don't sync up and why I'm zoomed in here, it's because I forgot to turn on my microphone. So I find that something I really need is a whole lot of time in order to be able to find the time to actually focus. And that's one of the big reasons why I wanted to become an academic, because I knew I had full control over my own schedule. And with those words spoken, his children woke up from their nap an hour early. Well, nap time's over, I guess. Somehow I have to see if I can still get this done.
Hey.
But, as long as I have the time, I will get things done, and I will accomplish things. If I only have a little bit of time, that's where I run into problems. Trying to find that time that I need in order to get my head into everything just really hasn't been available lately. I just really haven't been able to get anything done. And here I am making a YouTube video about how I'm distracted when I have to get something done, which is my talk. Well, let me show you what it looks like over in OBS. And this is what it looks like in OBS. And so this is how I like to do my presentations. I like to sort of make these graphics that I can use to do a slideshow in here. And so the slides in math come up over my face just like they would on my YouTube channel. And so I try to make this so that it matches as closely as possible. I can even throw in neat little animations like this one. And so this is for dynamic mode decompositions. And then there's also this one, which is an occupation kernel. So if you haven't seen that yet, well, there you go. This talk is taking place in Zurich, Switzerland, but Zurich is, I think, 6 hours ahead of us. So here I am. This is gonna be painful. Nobody needs this at this time. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, good morning. That's hot chocolate. Gave up coffee about 3 or 4 months ago, but I'll make another video on that one. Didn't really have much time to practice, but it's not like I'm gonna perform well at 4 a.m. anyway. Wish me luck. I am Dr. Joel A. Rosenfeld. I am a professor over here at the University of South Florida, and I'm a professor in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. And so today I want to talk to you guys about dynamic mode decompositions for control affine systems.